All right, let's see how's the general situation in Legi and Padma today. I think there's the singing guy, busy, and he's the sellers. These people already know me. Hello, how are you today? Yo, what's all good? All right. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm just next to the Bali Mandira, and it's beautiful day today. However, situation is like so, not so busy, not so quiet. Unfortunately, the warungs here, all of them, they are still closed, which is actually pretty sad and weird. Don't really getting why. But the Bali Mandira, yo, what's up? But the Bali Mandira hotel remains open. How's the business today, boss?
Oh, yes.
Yes, bakso.
Right.
Fresh.
Gado-gado.
Nah. Oh, it's so my god. Nice.
Biswa. Wow.
Hello. Very nice. Very nice. At the front is the Azul Beach Club, and here is the beach. Unfortunately, here all the warungs are still closed. I don't know why it's like that, but that's how it is. I'm gonna visit my favorite parking guy. We'll see. Hello, my friend. How are you?
Bagus, very good lad, yeah? Indonesia good for me, heavy leaf aside. Thank you very much for perform, thank you for bringing me. Here it was in life before, and mercy. Thank you very much, you will come back Bali.
Perfect, amazing. Take care. Honestly, guys, I think this fella should change the profession or playing at least in some nice big pubs or restaurants. He have a talent. He's just a parking guy in Legion. I mean, that's very nice, heavy, very positive guy who being a parking guy, however. Great voice, guys. Very nice Michael Jackson. Padma Legion. I'm heading to Erika, see if how she's doing today. All right, quick shot. My friend in Legion. Miss Erika. Is it she's here? Is she's here? Hello Erika, how are you? All good?
Welcome to Erika Bali.
Welcome to Bali, yeah? Welcome to Bali.
Bali and Erika.
Let's go, it's Miss Erika Warung. Some fellas, yo, what's up? Quick situation on the beach. Erika have some foreigner guests today. Very nice, preparing rather for me. But in general, it's not that busy in general. I could say it's still actually quiet. But alright, guys, cheers. Hopefully you can come soon to Bali and enjoying with me. Seems like gonna be beautiful sunset. However, there is already very like it's gonna be rain soon. So there, I need to finish vlog first. Alright guys, this is the exclusive shot for you from the Y bar. Y bar is open as you see, however I'm very quiet. Not much is happening here in Y bar, guys, and the hotel here also not that much. So sad. Here we have Ibis Styles in Legian. Also not that busy, guys. It's open and there are even I think 1 or 2 cars open, but not that busy. And here is the price, 210,000 rupiah just for the one night. Is so cheap, it's so desperate, I think. Also here, these warungs here, tattoo, tailor, everything. Oh my god, that area will take very long time until something gonna change here. Unfortunately, Balisani Padma Hotel closed, definitely closed, guys. Also here, grand scenery in the hotel, doesn't look any much better. Pretty sad indeed, everything over here. And the street in general is super quiet, guys. Alright guys, just stopped next to Romeo's and the Osotel Hotel. And there is like a corner, like the road is going like this. And in normal conditions here is so much life, so many people around, but now even it's some improvement still the past weeks, but still here is totally deserted. It's totally nothing is happening, and it's only the sound like of the closed building. Situation looks like this. You can walk on the middle of the street literally here. That's how it looks, the situation. Here's the pool tables, famous bar place, but not that easy. Yo, what's up? Some spa. Somewhere here I used to have a coffee long time ago and was so busy it was hard to find the space to sit, but seems like not today in general. And hard to say, some people cycling, but after that not much is happening. Carla Spa Company, I think they are completely out of business. And here is some warung, some people sitting on the floor. Not sure what's going on. In general, that's how it looks, quite sad situation. Amari's hotel totally empty. I'm not even sure if it's open. Big hotel, and at the front is the Swiss Bell Inn resort. Swiss Bell Inn, Legian, actually not resort. However, the also famous hotel, and in normal conditions was so busy here. This area is actually famous for 4- and 3-star hotels, so quite affordable for any kind of budgets. And well, corner bar, restaurant. Maybe you are familiar with the area over here. Quiet. So basically, literally, I'm walking on the middle of the street, and it's totally no problem. And if you've been here last time, you must know it was very busy here. Not little, but very busy. And of course, I think I don't need to explain, as everywhere around there used to be warungs, like clothes, merchandise, stuff like this. Everybody tried to sell you something, and very nice area actually. Here is even some house for rent, 3-bedroom villa or something like this. So you can find also the house in the small gang like this. Unfortunately, not sure if you wish to stay here right now because it's very quiet, guys. Also, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the area over here, heading to the Zest Hotel in Seminyak. And here is Away Hotel by Kamakila, also quite famous place. They rebrand just quickly before the current situation. Here is the family on the bike, but generally not much is happening. Here's some bar open, that burger. Hello. But the seems security not that happy. Well, maybe sad. I'm not gonna say he's not friendly, just sad. And here is Zest Hotel, ladies and gentlemen, by Swiss Hotels Group, and it's only 120k per night. Can you imagine that? That's unbelievable price, like a 7, 8, 9 American dollars. Alright guys, this is the street next to the Zest Hotel. Zest Hotel is just behind me, and here was also quite many restaurants, warungs, bars, mostly Australian owned for many Aussie fellas. Even you can see this one, for example, don't know what's the name, Chapter 2, with so many Australian flags around. And well, what I can say, unfortunately not open, it's closed, and many things here is just simply closed. So in this area of Bali, completely nothing is changing. That's it for me for today. I hope so you enjoyed today's my vlog. I show you a little bit of the Padma, and like always, see you tomorrow. See ya, take care guys.